So this is one of the sample in fluid art we are showing you, and I'll just show you the samples. In the meantime, let all the people gather and then we'll start the session. Okay, so basically fluid art करने के लिए आप acrylic color use कर सकते हैं और एक acrylic pouring medium create किया जाता है. So the creating your own acrylic pouring medium, you have to use 1 part of फेविकॉल and 1 part of water. 1 part फेविकॉल और उसमें जितना फेविकॉल है उतना ही आपको पानी मिक्स करना है और अच्छे से मिक्स करके अपना पोरिंग मीडियम बनाना है. और क्योंकि एक्रिलिक कलर्स काफ़ी सूखा हुआ होता है तो उसमें पोरिंग मीडियम मिलाने से क्या होता है, एक्रिलिक कलर थोड़ा लूज हो जाता है. तो जिस कारण से आप इजीली कलर्स को ब्लेंड कर सकते हो, मिक्स कर सकते हो, पोर कर सकते हो. तो अभी क्या करना है, पोरिंग मीडियम पहले हमने बनाना है. सो आई हैव टेकन हियर, सो आई विल शो यू हाउ टू क्रिएट योर ओन पोरिंग मीडियम. ठीक है. अभी आई एम गोइंग टू डू टुडे सी बीच थीम वॉल क्लॉक. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस स्टे ट्यून, डोंट गो अवे. यहाँ पे एक्रिलिक और पोरिंग फ्लूइड आर्ट में हम सी बीच थीम वॉल क्लॉक क्रिएट करेंगे. ये 6 mm का बोर्ड है, सर्कुलर बोर्ड, और ये इसका इंचेस में होगा कम से कम. दिस इज लाइक हाउ मेनी सेंटीमीटर्स, 25 सेंटीमीटर्स डाया, 24 सेंटीमीटर्स डाया, और बीच में एक होल बनाया गया है ताकि आप वॉच का डायल यहाँ फिक्स कर सके. ठीक है. लग रहा है मैम भूल गए क्या? नहीं, नम्रता मैम को मैंने कॉल भी किया था, मालूम नहीं कहाँ है. कोई बात नहीं, आप अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को कॉल करो, टैग करो. एंड हेमा, यू ऑल्सो टैग ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स. कपल ऑफ पीपल, सम 30 people have joined this session and we have shared the link with them. So 30 new members have joined. So where are they? Can't see the table clearly. It is clearly. I didn't put the table. I am now here. It is. Okay. Please, English language, Mamta. English, Hindi, both I will say. Hema Priya, don't worry. I'm going to say both the language. Okay. So we'll just wait for a few more minutes. So let a couple of people write. In the meantime, I'll tell you what all preparatory work I have done. Okay. So this is a dial which is 25 centimeters dia with one hole, and it is 6 mm plywood which we have cut, and I have coated with white fabric colors. So here it is, white fabric color I have coated. So okay, white fabric color. And now after coating this, the other preparatory work what you have to do, is so I have coated this with white acrylic colors. White acrylic colors से coat करना पड़ेगा. Okay. And then what you have to do, these are all the colors, all your this is blue, pearl blue I have taken. I have poured all the colors in cups like this, and here it is dark, this is acrylic color, mauve, I think so. Yeah, mauve color I have poured in the board. You have to pour all the colors in this cups like this and mix them nicely. And this is white color. So 3 colors we have taken. Okay. So all these 3 colors, the white acrylic colors I poured in this, and just poured all the colors in this and prepared nicely. And now, so the colors are prepared here, and now we have this Fevicol here. I have taken some 5 to 7 bottles of Fevicol in this, and we are supposed to mix water in this. So basically, So let me get some water to pour in this, and we'll, in the meantime, we'll wait for a few more people to join it. 1 minute. Yeah. Here it is. So we'll wait for a few more people to join the session. So just let me get some water to mix in this Fevicol. We had to make 1 part Fevicol and 1 part water to create your pouring medium. Okay? Okay, so here we are. So we'll just once again I'll tell you, I'm going to make a beach theme wall clock. This is 6 mm diameter wooden flank. Hi Salini for joining us. Hi everyone for joining us. Okay, so I have just coated with white acrylic color. We have coated this with white acrylic color. This is 24 centimeters dia round, 6 mm flank with a hole in the center. In this hole you are going to put your clock. Okay, so and then we have prepared 3 different colors here for the beach theme. We have 3 different colors here. I have prepared here. This is mauve. Just pour mauve in the bottle. And this is white here, white acrylic color, and this is pearl blue. I have mixed with white so that it becomes this color. I was running short of this color, so that's why. And now we are going to, and some 5 to 6 bottles of we have poured Fevicol here. Fevicol here I have poured, and I am going to put water in the same quantity of water and create the acrylic medium. So what you have to do, you have to put how much Fevicol is the same quantity of water I'm going to put, and nicely I'm going to create the mix this nicely 1:1. The proportion should be 1:1, not more than that. Okay. So in the meantime, I'll show you some of the samples. This is another sample we have created in acrylic pouring medium. This is flip top. I'll explain you how to get this effect. I have used yellow, red, mauve, black, a lot of colors I have used. So for this, basically what you have to do, hi PUA, hi PUA, thank you for writing so beautiful review PUA. Hi, बहुत अच्छा रिव्यू लिखा था आपने PUA. हाय पूजा, प्लीज टैग. हाँ, टैग करो भाई, सबको जल्दी टैग करो. हेमा, यू कैन ऑल्सो शेयर दिस and have a watch party, or you can tag your friends. Okay, so here it is. So we have mixed the thing and we have created the medium here. Okay, so let me clean this area a little bit. Done. Now what we have to do, I'll show you. This is basically flip cut. Now we will tell you the techniques what we have used. Now I am going to mix this again, 1 part of color and 1 part of pouring medium, and create my all the pores. Okay. So to everything I'm going to put one part of this color is already there, and one part of pouring medium. Okay. And we are going to mix them up again, keep nicely, and here it is. Okay. So we are going to mix them up all nicely. अच्छे से इसको मिक्स कर लेना है. अभी क्या करना है, पहले आप एक्रिलिक कलर लीजिए और उसमें आप अपना पोरिंग मीडियम डालिए. पोरिंग मीडियम बनाने के लिए 1 पार्ट फेविक और 1 पार्ट पानी यूज करना है. ओके ओके, आप लोग सब फ्रेंड्स को फॉलो टैग करने के लिए एक दूसरे के लिए शेयर करिए. मैं तो नहीं कर पाती हूँ अभी. रुकिए मैं देखती हूँ. I'll just check in this phone, the other phone I am having. Let me check it there if I am able to do. And yeah. Hi Bharti, hi Sonia, Subham. हाय हाय हाय, टैग करो अपने फ्रेंड्स को, सबको बुलाओ. सबको बुलाइए. हाँ सबको बुलाइए. हाँ या ओके. कमेंट्स तो बहुत सारे आ गए, लेकिन लोग अभी सब सो रहे हैं. क्या कर रहे हैं समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. खैर कोई बात नहीं है, हम अपना सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं और देखते रहते हैं आप लोग सब क्या कमेंट्स दे रहे हो. अच्छा ठीक है, वेट कर लेते थोड़ी देर, कोई बात नहीं है, थोड़ी देर हम वेट कर लेंगे. ओके अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है. अभी आई हैव मिक्स्ड I have mixed the acrylic color and the pouring medium Hema in 1:1 part. 1 part color and 1 part the pouring medium. And the pouring medium is prepared by 1 part Fevicol and 1 part water. So we have mixing all the things. Okay. So mix them nicely, and then we have to give here. Now for the cells, basically for the cells you have to use either so for the cells you have to use either there are 3 products what you can use for creating the cells. You can use silicone for creating cells, so that the cells in silicone the cells come very nicely. silicone में cell बहुत अच्छा आता है, इस तरह से आता है. Or you can use liquid soap. Liquid soap is dishwash. Basically you can use dishwash and mix dishwash in this and create the thing. We can mix dishwash in this and create the cells. Or you can use rubbing alcohol. If you have rubbing alcohol at home, you can also put rubbing alcohol to create the cells. Today I am going to use silicone, which I am having. So it's very tight, this bottle. So this silicone, you can also use liquid soap like dishwash and all. You can mix in this. Like in this much quantity, I will prefer to put like a 1/4 teaspoon of dishwash in all this and mix it nicely. Or 1/4 teaspoon of silicone, or 1/4 teaspoon of rubbing alcohol. Any of these products you can create cells, but in each case the cell will be Sakti Janani, hi for watching, thank you for joining. But in any case, in all the case, the cells creation will be different. sometime very fine cells, sometime very big cells, so it will be different. So that is not a problem. You can use anything. It's not like that only silicone you should have to create the cell. Very tight it is. Just wait, just give me some time. Let me open it nicely. Done. Okay. So what I will do, I am going to put we are going to put some quarter teaspoon of silicone here in all the three, so that I get very good cells here. Okay, quarter teaspoon of silicones I put. Liquid soap एंड रबिंग एल्कोहल के लिए रेशियो क्या है? सेम रेशियो है. इतने सारे क्वांटिटी में मैंने क्वार्टर टीस्पून डाला है. आप सेम रेशियो डाल सकते हैं. लिक्विड सोप भी डाल सकते हैं क्वार्टर टीस्पून, और इसके बाद आप रबिंग एल्कोहल कोई भी एक चीज डालिए, और हर चीज पे आपका सेल अलग आएगा, सेम नहीं आएगा. उसमें काफी अलग आएगा. तो इसीलिए आप कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हो इसमें जो आपके पास हो. लिक्विड सोप से भी सेल्स अच्छे आते हैं. द सेल्स विथ लिक्विड सोप ऑल्सो. हाय शक्ति जननी, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग द सेल्स. टैग योर फ्रेंड्स एंड शेयर दिस on different groups if you are able to share, if the share option is there. Okay, तो अभी ये तीनों रेडी हो गया है. अब नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू क्रिएट हियर द this one. So slightly I am going to put sand here. So what we can do, we can put Fevicol. Okay, so put Fevicol nicely, spread it nicely and smoothly with your hand or brush, whatever you have comfortable with. This is just a normal Fevicol. Okay, and then we have this beach sand. Just put beach sand nicely. The Fevicol I applied with hand, that's why, so that is nicely each and every area gets the Fevicol. But sometimes when we apply with brush, we are not able to feel or we are not able to see. So that reason, इसी रीजन में हम लोगों ने इसे हाथ से लगाया है, ताकि ये पूरा एरिया अच्छे से सैंड इसमें पकड़े. नहीं तो क्या होता है कि कोई जगह पे फेविकॉल नहीं लगा है तो आपका सैंड वो पकड़ता नहीं है. ठीक है, अभी ये हो गया आपका. तो आप उसको हल्का सा छाड़ के देख भी सकते हो कि आपका सैंड कहाँ पकड़ा है, कहाँ नहीं पकड़ा है. अगर किसी जगह नहीं पकड़ा है तो आप थोड़ा सा हम फेविकॉल डाल के यहाँ पे वापस इसको ये कर सकते हैं. So we can just put little more here like this, spread it nicely, and then we can put some more sand here in the edges. So might be one more layer we can give here. So that will also look nice, because towards the shore the sand is more and towards the water the sand will be less. So there is, you can apply one more coat like this, and then you can apply the sand again one more coat here if you want. So so in the edges I want a thick layer, so I am applying Fevicol again, and I'll apply the this one. I'll apply the sand once again on that. Okay, so first we'll finish the beach and everything, and finally we'll pour the colors, because after pouring the color we cannot touch the thing, we have to leave it for drying. So for that reason, done. So we have done again, we have put and we have done it. So basically अच्छे से सैंड लग जाएगा. तो अब आपका ये रेडी हो गया है सैंड लेयर. अभी क्या करना है, इसके ऊपर आपको सेल्स वगैरह लगाना है, सी विच व्यू के लिए सेल्स लगाना है, और बहुत सारी चीज लगाना है ताकि वो रियल आपका सी व्यू की तरह लगे. So edges वगैरह में थोड़ा सा फेविक सैंड और डाल दीजिए. Okay. So now just take fabric glue and stick all your pebbles and stone whatever you want. So we can pour little fabric glue and we can put some pebbles, so to give it a more sea beach view. So stick with fabric glue because it is very strong and it will stick nicely. So we have here this area also, or you can use even glue gun. If you want to use glue gun, you can use glue gun also. So this one, or if you you can use glue gun, or also you can use and then we have this another cell here I want to put here. Okay. So and then fused like here in this area I want to put some stones, beach stones, which we easily get. So ये बीच स्टोन वगैरह यहाँ पे लगाएंगे एजेस में, so ताकि वो ज़्यादा आपका नेचुरल लुक आए. और थोड़ा सा और भी लगा सकते हैं हम लोग, जहाँ जहाँ आपको लगाने का इच्छा करे आप लगा सकते हो. You can put some other places also, and usually what will happen, this area sometime due to the water flow, some stones will be there, some chips will be there. So what we have flown with the water, it has come in the side, the water has come again flown back, so it will leave the stones behind. Okay, so like this we have finished it, and then you can dust it so that the extra which is there it will come out. So extra जो है वो बाहर निकल के आ जाएगा. आप उसको लगा लीजिए और इसके बाद डस्ट कर लीजिए. ठीक है. Show the name of the bottle. Yeah, we'll show you in the last again, McLean. Just wait. Let me finish doing it, and we are going to show you in the last. Okay. So here it is. The beach view is ready. So this one, it will take time to stick, because if we are sticking in this way, it will take time. So let us do in the opposite direction, like how we have stuck this one, same way, so that it stays there. Okay. Opposite direction, if you want to stick, means you have to okay. So here everything is ready now. Now start pouring your color on this, and then I'll show you the other samples which I have created, and I'll give you a lot of ideas. Have I made, ma'am? I have no sound. Why? Sandhya is not having any sound. Why? Am I audible? Those who are watching me, Mekley, am I audible? Please write and let me know. Am I audible? Mekley and Hema and all. Okay. So this is, let this dry, then I'll pour. I'll show you some of the samples here. This is another resin art I have done. I have used okay, I think Sandhya, you have some problem in your side. Please check it out. I am audible and visible perfectly. So this is basically this is known as a flip cup pouring medium. You pour all the colors after mixing the silicone oil, like how we have mixed here in this bottles, in this cups. What you have to do, you have to put all the colors in a cup, one after the other. But while doing so, you should see that, and then take the cup and put it on this, and just flip. This is flip top pouring medium, and then slowly you lift your cup, and then slowly you have to shake it. If anywhere it has not gone, just shake and do. So that's how this is flip top pouring medium, the effect of the flip top pouring medium. And this is done with two colors. You can make coasters like this. This is a coaster. This is basically a cardboard, what we get in cake. Can all of you hear me? Is there any problem in sound? I think other people are not having. You can check your network. Okay. So you can check your network. If other people are not having this, you should check your network. Okay. So this is basically Pooja, am I audible now correctly? Yes, cake base. Pooja, am I audible now correctly? Megle is saying that it is perfect. This is a cake base, cardboard, and on this fluid art I have done flip top, cup flip. So just take all the colors, create your pouring medium, mix your pouring medium with your colors, then mix your silicone or as I told you, you can even do with liquid soap, silicone or rubbing alcohol. Every time the effect will be different. They will not have the same effect. The cells will be either big or small or whatever it is. Yes, you can use on canvas also. You can do on wood. This is wood. This is a cake board, and this technique is known as a flip top. You pour all the colors in this, and then you take the board and flip the cup, and then slowly you lift, and then afterwards you just shake, and it is like this. Okay, Jigyasa, thank you for letting me know that I am audible and visible correctly. So this is one method. Now these are cells. We just keep directly pouring on this, or even the cup you can do. So basically the side of the cup, we pour the color from the side of the cup, not in the center, one color of the other color, and then we create a nozzle like this, mouth, and then we start pouring the thing. So you get another effect like this. So you can make coasters like this. These are wooden coasters. We have done in the wooden coasters. These are all wooden coasters here. Okay. So these are wooden coasters. You can use them as posters. So this is done on wooden flank. So this is another technique. These cells are very nice. So we have used in the silicone here to create these cells. Okay. So and then one more we have. This is another cake top. You can make like this, and you can make ring platter on this, or you can do some make some with clay, some rose and all, and create a platter. Okay, so the base can be created, and it can be used as a tabletop or a desktop or a coaster, or you can use as a platter. You can make some flower here, and you use it as a tray, whatever you want. Okay. So then we have this, yeah, and this one is only with color like blue, black and white. 3 colors we have taken, and we pour here the blue and black, and here white and black, and here blue and black, and little white, and here blue and black, and then we start shaking them like this. So what will happen? The effect will come like this. Here 2 colors and here 2 colors with white at the